Clear truck. No truck.
Okay, I'm back.
Wait.
We lost the car yet?
It should be getting here any second now. Oh, by the way, the shortcut for this place, I think, is right over. Maybe it's been really fucking long.
Is the map different?
Seems different. I don't recognize this.
I don't recognize this
It
either.
does seem a bit different.
The car!
Where's the car?
Sideways.
That's how it works.
There's a giant right there.
There really is, isn't there? Oh, he doing something.
Jesus Christ.
He doing something. He took the car! He took the car!
Did he just eat the car?
What?
Did he eat the car?
I don't know.
Go, 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 go! Get this fucker!
It blew up. Oh, he's on fire at least. That should kill it, right?
Maybe?
I think fire kills it. Yeah, it's dead.
Alright, well, you know.
Did we lose?
we lost 2 people in the truck.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
He's a corpse. Look at this.
Alright, you wanna go get some loot?
I'm gonna take a potty back over.